Ganito yung napigaan, no? Ganito, ha?
Wow, look, Mommy is getting thicker. Oh, and I would put the accessories in here.
Sabi 18 daw to. Pipi, oh.
Pepe?
Pipi.
Kala ko na sabi mo, Pepe. Pepe.
Pipi.
Pepe.
Sama mo ba ito sa video? Paano ba to? Short? Hindi. Vlog lang. Wala, video lang. Dapat pa ano to. Hindi nakita eh. Ha? Kaya na ba ito, ma?
Yeah. Okay.
Sabi 18 daw to.
Wow.
It's a pool.
No, it's not. It's for kinetic sand.
Pool ng kinetic.
Mommy, look.
Lagi ganun ito. Kalahati lang. Yun, ano? Oasis. Ano?
How am I gonna clean up the sand after I play? Huh?
Ha?
How am I gonna clean up the sand?
Skip mo.
Huh? Wow, some pink beautiful slime. Chemical slime. Wow.
Saan ilalagay yung sand? Dito?
It's still... Kasi nga. Baka yung ganito lang yan. Yay, we're playing.
Ay, sorry.
Do you like it now?
Yeah. Yes, may ganyan. Ay, ito storage. Ito yung tapon yung plastic para dito yung ilalagay.
Let's make a full castle. Oh, I'm gonna do it. Can I borrow that right now?
Ito oh, mayroong stairs.
Oh, yes.
Wala
do
bang
that.
scoop
I'm
sa
gonna do
laruan
that
mo?
one too.
Ha?
Huh?
Wala kang scoop sa laruan mo?
Wala. I just used my hands. Can I borrow that for a minute, please?
Walang kutsara?
No.
Akin. Ito wag din kasi masasara. Yung iba may animals to. Ito.
Oh, what is this one for?
Hanap kang kutsara dun sa laruanan mo. Para mag-i-scoop ka din. And now, strictly no return if there
Maybe
is
I
a
can
food.
just use this.
Yung, di ba may scoop yan?
I can just use this one. Don't worry.
Okay.
Whoops. Babu. Lang. Oops. Babu. Wow.
Do you like it, baby? Hmm?
I could play with this all day. And after school, and if there's no school, I could play with it. Yes, I could.
Nakagat ng sulit eh. Dami na.
Ako na may ganyan eh.
Sulit eh.
Wow! Ate, are you gonna come play with me? Okay. Wait, I'm gonna get a doll. Don't mind if her hair is a little dirty. You wanna play with me? You're so busy with your phone. You're actually... At the end, oh no! Someone's destroying our castle!
No!
Please stop it! She already broke my shield. No, look. She broke my shield. No, she's gonna break my... Atin, hurry up. She's gonna break
Wait
my
lang.
castle. No. Wait lang. I gotta do one more thing. Shake back. No, whoa, shake back. Whoa, whoa, shake back. Whoa, whoa. Atin, I got to tell you something. Atin, help! She's gonna destroy my crab. She's gonna kill my crab. Hurry up, Atin. Hey, are you not gonna help me? No, my crab! My beloved crab. No. Atin. My beloved crab is gonna die now. She already killed my crab. It's too late. Look. Atin. You're so busy on your phone. she destroyed my beloved frog. I mean crab.
No, Ray.
Help me.
Shoot.
Ouchie. Yay, you saved the day. But my crab.
Ay! A circle! Lagyan natin siya sa tub. Ganyara ice cream. Bili ka sa akin
Hi.
ice cream.
Can I have ice cream, please? Strawberry flavor.
Wait.
Miss my froggy. Rest in peace to my froggy. I would never forget you, my love,
Here you go.
beloved frog.
I'm never forget it.
Because this
We have a castle ice cream if you want to.
No, thank you. I just want you to bring my crab back. I love my crab. Can you bring back my crab, please? She died from this.
Crab?
thing.
Anong crab? Wala namang crab.
This is it.
It's a... Sabi mo frog. It's a crab.
I said crab. I'm just losing my mind. Wait, let me see. What is that?
A fish.
Oh, I'm gonna make my pet crab.
Wait nga, gilid mo muna, tapos dito natin ilalagay yung mga
Okay.
nabuo natin.
Okay, you're just destroying my castle now.
Okay lang yan, gawa ka na naman.
No, no, no. No.
Gilid, gilid, gilid. This is my
Let's make
fish.
Okay.
Mamaya na tayo mag-video reels. Oh, eto paramihan. Ay, wait lang, mag-play tayo. Wait lang.
Okay.
Kailangan, madami kang mahanap na ganito dito sa sand. Okay, itatago ko ah. You have a 40 minutes. Wait lang. Ano ka, di kasali itong mga kaso.
Apa.
Doon ka punta, dun sa sala.
Ano yung sala?
Dun,
Okay. Is it okay if I don't have shoes?
no.
Okay, I will have shoes. Ito?
Diyan.
Okay.
I have 30 seconds to hide it.
I'm just gonna dance. Okay, I'm gonna close the door.
Parang hindi ka na masaya. Wait lang. Bilang ka 1 to 30.